Hey, this is Jelani Asar from Income Protection Atlanta. In these uncertain economic times, are you searching for more financial security for yourself and your family? Do you want your family to be protected from the loss of income due to an accident, an illness? This economy is shaky. People's home values are drowning them. People's incomes are dropping. People's debt levels are growing. People's houses are going into foreclosure. People's jobs are being handed away. People's fear and frustration is increasing. The vast majority of us are living paycheck to paycheck or uncomfortably close to it. 7, perhaps even 8 in 10 of us are living on the uncomfortable edge of paycheck to paycheck. Are you? Are you living paycheck to paycheck? We have been continuously saving less in this country since the 1960s. In the 2000s, our savings rate is negative. The hottest commodity right now, for most of us, isn't gold, silver, an iPod, or another job. It's cash. We need money. You need money, don't you? Because of our present economic uncertainty, we have been running and clutching onto more and better insurance for the security, your protection. Although, how many of us insure perhaps the most important part of our lives, our income? Are you earning income? You're not getting paid if you're not working, right? If yes, then the fact of the matter is that you're depending on your check for your life every single month. Do you have your income protection? When you cannot work, when you cannot bring home money, who loses? Do you lose? Your spouse loses? Your children lose? Who is depending on you to keep earning money? What happens to their life when you stop bringing in money? What happens? Unless you are an outlier in this economy and in Georgia, what happens for you, all is ugly. Very disturbingly ugly. The question is this: if you stop working today, how many days forward can you survive? Again, unless you are an outlier in this economy and in Georgia, without your paycheck, you can only survive 3 months without income. Even if you have high income, 200, 300, 500K, $800,000 per year, when you're working. How much income are you earning when you stop working? Can you stop working and still make money? To grasp the importance of your income protection, so the words you have listened to stay in your mind for decades to come. See this in your mind. You are listening to my voice, and the deeper you are listening to my voice, the more vividly you are seeing this in your mind. Right now, you find out you cannot work. Right now. You're stuck. No work for you. You're thinking about a random bunch of things, and every so often, as if on schedule, you think of your bills and how you're going to pay them, and your stomach is jittering with insecurity and frustration. How many months pass by until you are hearing the hunger pains, the arguments, the hard sighs of anger, until you are scrambling for money and making uncomfortable sacrifices in order to get money? The dependence is unfortunate, yet for many of us it is a fact. You need your income protection insurance if you prefer to live your life free of financial distress, perpetual insecurity, perhaps even bankruptcy, if you are choosing to survive, right? Whether the income protection insurance is in the form of your coverage or your savings or your assets, you need your income protection insurance. When you get hurt, sprain your ankle, pull a muscle, hit your head, and they say, look, don't go to work for 6 weeks or 6 months, you're not going to be working, right? Yet you're still going to need money coming in, right? When you get sick, stomach ache, stomach virus, food poisoning, infection, and they say, look, don't go to work for 6 weeks or 6 months. You're not going to be working, right? Yet you're still going to need to have money, right? So what your income protection insurance is doing for you is getting you your money when you cannot earn money. It is your income when you don't have income. Since you are likely depending on your income for your survival, for your livelihood, your income protection insurance is your lifesaver. With your disability protection, you are getting a backup plan, almost like your own stunt double, to work for you in place while you're out and then send you the money. With your disability protection, you're getting income insurance, a reserve to keep food on the table instead of pains in your belly. Relationships can break when the glue of money stops flowing, and money is the single greatest cause of divorce in this country. Also, the children suffer when you're not able to work, your babies. Shockingly, 1 in 3 children in this country is on food stamps. I've seen families forced to feed on food stamps because of time missed from work. With your disability protection, you're getting income protection. You're getting to choose how much money you're getting, when you're starting to get your money, and for how long you're getting your money. The only max is 60% of your income by Georgia law, and a total amount of $6,000 per month. Plus, up to $3,000 per month with no health questions asked. Guaranteed eligibility. Income protection insurance is generally important for most anybody. Without a source of income while you're out of work, your family could be damaged, couldn't it? With only a few months of survival money secured, all that is required is for life to force you out of work for a few months or less, and you are severely hurt financially, or even financially devastated, right? What is the current backup plan for you and your family? For most of us, it's crossed fingers and prayer, or simple ignorance. Stop gambling with your survival and your family's quality of life. The bottom line is, you are getting your soft safety net of money, rather than the jagged rocks of income loss with your income protection insurance. Is this for you? Well, our disability coverage is for you if you need continuous income, you have no backup plan, are living paycheck to paycheck, have little savings, want to keep your savings, or in these uncertain economic times, you simply need more peace of mind right now. Our disability protection is especially useful for you if you have been denied disability. Since we are all about the people with Income Protection Atlanta and seek to serve you first, you are always eligible for our disability protection. As rare as this is, you are always eligible for your disability protection. So if indeed you are seeking the need to cover yourself and your family, go ahead and contact us. Then we'll be meeting with you for free to discuss the extent to which we'll be setting in your financial security, and if it's a fit. For more information, go to incomeprotectionatlanta.com. Thanks.